Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Right here in this video, I'll be teaching you how to be earning free USDT with the aid of this amazing site without any delay. So do well to watch me to the very end to know vivid guide on how to make your claim, make instant withdrawal, perform some little tasks just by referrals, and also making quantifiers on this side and make instant withdrawal. So the first step which I'll be teaching you is how to make invite. To build up a team, hit up on invite. By hitting up on invite, this is my referral link. I'll drop it on the description and the comment section of this video. Click on it, share with friends and lovers for them to be part of this amazing site. So get yourself registered, share your referral link to your X handle, Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram, and other social media handle, and build up a team and hire your rebate commission of every valid invite which you make into this site. As you can see right here, in your level 1 you'll be having your commission, in your level 2 you'll be having your commission, in your level 3 you'll be having commission. So the next step which I'll be teaching you is how to make quantifier. Hit up on quantifier. By hitting up on quantifier on this, as you can see, it starts from VIP 0, which is automatically free just by signing up with this site. Your VIP 2 you have to unlock by 20 USDT to have your 18%. Your VIP 2 you have to unlock by 100 USDT to have your 19%, down to your highest VIP, which is VIP 9. In your VIP 9 here, you have to unlock by 100 USDT to have your 42 USDT. So let me show you how to unlock this VIP by hitting up on click to unlock this popular plan. Once you click on it, hit up on confirm. Once you hit up on confirm, these are all networks which you can make use of unlocking VIP. Your TRC 20 USDT, your TROS will be 20 USDT, your BNB will be 20 USDT. So guys, after making registration, you can make quantifier one time in a day and come back tomorrow to make another quantifier by hitting up on start quantifier. By hitting up on start quantifier, you have automatically purchased a bot which will help you mining here. And before making any recharge or deposit, do well to make your personal site consign this site. For I'm not a financial expert to give a financial guide. As you can see that I have automatically generated this amount of 3.600 USDT, and I will show you how to make recharge into this site to have this amount of USDT by hitting up on recharge. So by hitting up on recharge, you choose any network. By choosing any network, guys, you hit up on recharge complete. Once you have copied your wallet address, drop it on your exchange. Once you drop it on your exchange, make your minimum recharge into this site to unlock this VIP and stand the chance of earning daily. And before making any recharge, do well to make your personal research. For I'm not a financial expert to give you financial guide over any investment. So guys, let me show you how to make instant withdrawal. After you make your quantifier, hit up on me. Once you hit up on me, guys, you hit up on withdrawal. Once you have hitting up on withdrawal, we are going to make withdrawal of this amount of 3.600 USDT straight up to our wallet. So let's go head up to our wallet, copy our BIP20 wallet address, hit up on asset, hit up on deposit, hit up on deposit crypto, choose USDT. Once you choose USDT, choose BIP20 USDT, drag this arrow here, copy it. Once you copy it, come address. Once you insert the wallet address, you enter the amount, which is 3.60 USDT, then hit up on confirm withdrawal. Once you hit up on confirm withdrawal, you can see the amount have been withdrawn successfully to our wallet, and we are going to confirm the payment in 1 to 2 minutes to be sure that the platform is really unique and amazing. So by heading up to the platform, we are going to confirm of 3.6 USDT, and the platform is really unique and amazing. If you are new to my YouTube channel, this video is valid to you. Don't forget to hit up on your subscription button, turn on your notification bell, give the video a thumbs up and a comment.